Oh, okay. Electromagnetic talk, huh?
Nice
Okay.
talk, nice talk.
So maybe you use your itu apa? I'll take the Edric report as a sample lah, because the Edric report is the optimal design of electromagnetic talk lah, kan?
Yeah.
So when we want to prepare the thesis or report we need to know what is the result we want to include first. So that's why I just want to ask you, is it okay that we discuss about only the figure, then the rest you need to come out yourself lah. All the writing, boleh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay nah.
Okay.
So you should. I think uh, we go to methodology. Methodology we discussed already, right? Should be no issue. Do you have any issue of preparing the methodology?
Not like that.
No, So I directly go to chapter 4 result discussion, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me go to the page 37. Can you see my screen or not?
Yeah, I can see.
Can I? Okay, this is chapter. Oh, this is methodology. Methodology ikut jalan,
Mm-hmm.
Ini metodologi juga.
Yeah. Okay. Chapter 4.
Okay. So you use your pencil and jot it down,
Uh,
Boleh?
yeah, I dah tengah record.
Oh, tengah record. Oh,
Yeah.
you want me record for you?
No, I use my software in my PC.
Okay. So table 4.1 must be included, Kena
Uh,
masuk.
okay.
Then Hani memang kenal lah, magnetic vector potential
Mm-hmm.
4.2.2. Then this one kena masuk according yours one 4.1.
Okay.
Figure 4.1 kena masuk. Yang figure 4.1 ni kan, dia hanya bagi 180 degree of slot in the various slot opening. So yours one is yours one is only fixed slot opening tapi tukar magnet pole span kan?
Yeah. 120 until
Ah,
180.
okay. So you pandai-pandai lah You kena masuk satu figure. Then there's a lot of model where the magnetic span is changing kat A, B, C, D, E. Boleh?
Mm-hmm.
Boleh So similar figure, I would say similar lah. Similar thing need to included like figure 4.1. Boleh tak?
Okay.
Okay you record sendiri
Yeah.
Okay, so A, B, C, D, E masuk semua. And then 4.2 section 4.2.3 flux density distribution kena masuk juga.
Mm-hmm.
Dia punya caption sama, ikut saja. Lepas tu um, your changes is the max span
Mm.
Okay, so 4.2 kena masuk. Apa lagi? Ni pun kena masuk. VR for every model kena masuk.
BR and BT.
BT for every kena masuk. Tapi you need to replot yourself lah
Okay.
Okay, when you plotting, don't use everything is line, no. Use one is line, one is dotted, one is a smaller dot.
Mm-hmm. Kena ada
Okay,
perbezaan lah antara satu.
Yeah, so 4.3, 4.4 kena masuk. Then section 424, phase back EMF waveform. Yours one ada juga kena masuk.
Mm-hmm.
Kena masuk. So 4. Dia ada 3 phases lah. Phase A, phase B dan phase C. 4.5 ikut masuk juga.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then section 4.2.5 electromagnetic field masuk juga. Ni memang kena masuk. So figure 4.6 masuk.
So I punya ni akan ada 13 punya ni lah kan. 120 until 180 kan.
Yes. 120 until 180. Yes, betul. Ya. Kena masuk semua lah, nah.
Okay.
Okay. Tapi sebab dah banyak tau. Kan? Dia line banyak. I'm not sure whether visible or not. Jika tak boleh kan, mungkin Hanif kena pilih lah selang 10 degree ataupun macam mana. Sebab banyak kan. 120 sampai 180.
Ada 13.
13 tu.
13.
Oh, takut tak boleh muat tau ni. Ya boleh masuk, takut tak nampak kan. Sekarang Hanif 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 saja sudah. Jadi kurang penuh lah. Hanif try dulu. Jika tak boleh kan, Hanif kurangkan interval jadikan 10. Maksudnya 120, 130, 140 macam tu.
Okay.
Try dulu lah. Then you can plot and let me see lah after that. So figure 4.6 kena masuk. Tapi dia punya figure 4.6 it's a various BOA lah. So you punya hanya satu gambar saja. Faham tak?
Okay.
No, dia ada ABCD kan, address punya. So yours one hanya satu loh. And table 4.2 yang you buat tabulated tu kan, my idea kan, saya tak mau masuk lah, tapi address dia ada masuk. So this one is according to you lah. If let's say you want to masuk, you masuk. Tapi my idea is I won't masuk lah. 4.2 you sendiri tulis, it is option for you. You decide sendiri. Right? Then determine the optimum setting of Hani. Hani kena masuk, tapi this one is using GA lah. So yours one is using normalization. Hello.
Okay, yeah.
Yours one is using normalization to predict the motor performance. So 4.3 memang kena ada. And then you tak ada equation. But this one you only need to put the apa? Dia punya side your case is sini. Yours one is Hanif. You need to put this one, kan?
Yeah.
So this figure must be included in the section 4.3, and then this is let me explain to you the normalization, okay or not? Because if let's say I do not explain, saya takut nanti you tak faham mau macam write it out. Ataupun I'm not sure Sakina ada tak? Sakina punya, let me check Baik. Ada. Shafina pun ada yang normalization ni. So on how to analyze and writing here, you can refer to the Shafina.
Okay.
Boleh?
Boleh.
So dia punya caption pun kena tengok lah. Dia ada tulisan apa kan. No? So later I will explain to you what is a normalization. So this one kena masuk for section 4.3, and then instructor. Ya, ada masuk apa lagi? Baik. Apa? Ini tak ada lah, table ni you pun tak ada, tapi this table you need to include to compare your optimum value lah. So according to your data, let me see your data, Hanif. Your data is this one. Okay. So according to your data, just now the prediction value is how much? It's a 124.9. Dan juga apa lagi? 3.67. Dia ngam-ngam 3.67.
Oh ya, ngam-ngam.
Oh, ngam-ngam Dia ada prediction soon Okay. See my. Can you see here not?
Yes, yes, sudah.
Okay. So what usually we did here is we want to have a higher electromagnetic torque value. This one. But at the same time, we also need to have a lower ripple torque. So how can we do that? We need to normalizekan dia lah. Maksudnya, if let's say we plot like this, if let's say we plot like this, dia akan keluar macam ni kan?
Ya.
Dia tak ada satu intersection, which mean let's say this is electromagnetic torque for average blue color. Okay, normalize maksudnya kita bagikan dia punya parameter. Baiklah, later saya baru explain. Saya nak bagi tahu apa yang kita masukkan dulu. So when we have the optimum value, you kena build satu table lah, whereby table ni bukan semacam ni tau. Okay, dia bukan macam ni. Let me see Shakina dia akan total comparison tak. Mungkin tengok Shakina dia thesis ada kat Google Meet kan?
Dekat Google Classroom ada.
Ada kan?
Ada.
Okay. Dia punya comparison macam ni. You need to have a motor. You need to have your motor. Pole arc kena masuk. And then this one is your electromagnetic torque. Sorry, I opened the wrong one. Optimum, sini. Yang you follow table 4.3 yang dia punya So motor, I think motor tak perlu masuk tak apa. Tapi ni, tak bagus juga lah. Let me construct one for you. Bodoh aku. Let me construct one for you, whereby I put create one for you. Okay, for the table that you need to include in the report, we need to have a magnet, pull up, initial model. We have an initial model. EN average. We have paper macam ada no. Bodoh saya buka paper tu. Okay, sini ada. Okay, so Hanif, this is the table you need to masuk Tapi table macam ni dia bukan pakai semua tau. Okay, maybe I conteng for you. I conteng some for you. Later on I pass to you lah. Okay, yang masuk dia ini alpha P kena masuk, BOA tak payah. BOA tak payah dah. Okay, Hani kena. Sebab this is the two parameter we are doing, right? Initial design, yes. Hani tak payah.
GA.
This one bukan GA lah. This one you rename as a normalization prediction.
Okay.
Normalization prediction. Lepas tu dapat satu optimal design. This optimal design from FEA tambah ni. This one maybe we put normalization prediction. then this one we put right? This one is the optimal design by FA. Okay. So these two things we change lah. Dia punya nama normalization prediction. This is optimum design by FEA. And then dia punya alpha P sepatutnya sama lah 124.9 kan. Then sebab EM average pun sama, Ripple pun sama kan.
Yeah.
Okay. So changes between macam ni, then we only take changes between A and C lah. Ini tak mau pakai ni. Since ini dua adalah sama kan. So we will take the changes between A and C, which is the initial design by FEA. This one kita pakai. Initial design by FEA. Okay. Then this is changes between A and C lah. We take the FEA versus FEA. Then we will see how much the difference. Okay. So for example, for the initial design, it must be 180 lah. Usually I will take 180 lah. So we have a 3.99. So which means this is later. I think later I will let me see. Later I will show you the difference. Later pula ini sekarang pun boleh lah. Okay. So let's see what value we have. So this is 180. This will be this is 180, right? This will be our initial model is 3.99, and then this is our GEN at Ripple, and it's about 24.06. Yes, this is our optimal model. Ini you faham kan? Nah, this is just for our understanding tapi betul-betul nama dia kat sini Okay. So optimal yang kita dapat ni is 124.9, then 3.67, then 10.53. Okay. So and then the changes so this is actually decrement, which means okay, let me do it for you. This one should be this value, that's this value, divide by original value, and 7%. Divide by original value, and 7%. So we take 200. And then this will be the same. Okay. So this one also the same. We use a 3.99 minus 3.67, then divide by 3.99 times this one. Then this one will be 24 minus 10 divided by 24 times 100%. Then we have this one. Boleh paham tak? Paham Then I need to put a remark for you first later on. So the remark. And this, the first one is decreasing, right? Betul tak? Dia decrease from 180 to 124.
Oh ya, decreasing.
Ini decrease juga kan? Ini increase kan? Ini decrease juga kan?
Ya, decrease.
Okay. Okay. Let you know. Let me explain to you why we want to do this. I just want to let you know first. Decreasing in magnet co-arc is good, which means we can use less magnet material in the motor to build the motor to get the optimum model. Boleh paham?
Boleh.
When the magnet usage is lower, which means dia punya cost lebih rendah lah. Wastage of permanent magnet will be little, so cost lebih rendah. Boleh tak?
Okay.
Boleh paham? So which means if let's say we do not get the optimal model, we directly build this model, then we will waste about 30%. If let's say we build this model, then it has been decreased about 30%. So which means it's good for us lah, because the permanent magnet usage has been decreased. So dia punya indicator kan, standard indicator, we call standard indicator is decrease is good for this one. Okay, then another one, electromagnetic torque. Electromagnetic torque is actually a power generated in the motor. So higher will be better lah. So the average power or electromagnetic torque higher is better. Tapi sekarang dia turun. So which is not good for us. Boleh paham tak? So increase is good, decrease, but here is decrease, right? When we do the optimal motor, it is decreased. Right or not?
Yeah.
So it is not good. But it is normal. Why? Because when the magnet material sekarang semakin turun kan, dia punya average memang semakin turun ni.
Yeah.
So this is normal. This is normal. When so when you see from my right hand side, when the magnet is decreasing from 180 to 120, dia punya electromagnetic torque memang decreasing kan, betul tak? So it is normal one. Although it is not good for us lah, it is normal. So I just want to let you know it is normal, and it is not the major issue for us not to choose this one. Which mean walaupun dia decrease, kita masih pilih dia, no? Sebab dia bukan the main issue kat sini. And then the ripple, ripple actually, you know what is ripple or not?
Yang
Ripple maksudnya ni lah, EM top kan? Dia yang maximum to the minimum. This is called ripple. Can you understand or not?
Yeah.
So the grey color ripple will be higher. The red color ripple will be lower. Betul tak? Okay, why ripple is not good? Ripple will increase the vibration of the motor and also decrease the performance of the motor. So we want to decrease their ripple rather than increase their ripple. Boleh faham? Okay, so decreasing the ripple is good for us. And now it is decreased about 56%, which is very huge decrement. So this is very good. So as overall kan, apa yang kita boleh cakap, walaupun kita punya electromagnetic torque menurun sikit about 8%, tetapi kita punya decrement of the ripple percentage is, and also the magnet usage are very high. That's why this model is an optimal model. Betul? Faham tak?
Yeah, faham.
So this is the story we need to create. Sometimes when they present like this, the panel will ask you. You said that we want to get the electromagnetic torque higher, tapi sekarang sudah decrease Kenapa you nak pilih dia? So how you answer?
Because the ripple change is bigger.
You can say that. You can say what just now I told you. Electromagnetic torque will be decreased when we decreasing the magnetic arc from 180 electrical degree to 120. It is normal. So if let's say we want only to have the maximum value of the electromagnetic torque, then we choose 180 lah. But there is no point that we do this project, right? So we can say that this model for the electromagnetic torque is acceptable because the decrement is about 8%. However, there's a lot of the improvement on the magnet usage and also the electromagnetic ripple.
Yeah.
whereby
Yeah, correct.
there's a lot of the decrement in the magnet usage about 30% and the ripple decrement about 56%, which is greatly huge than the 8%. Boleh faham?
Faham.
This is your selling point. Okay tak?
Okay lah.
Okay So let me go through again. Yang table ni table mana satu dah? Ni table ni kena masuk kan? Nah, so you kena masuk ke section ni lah nah, ni section. Then okay, comparison this one you kena masuk. Figure 4.9 kena masuk. You need to compare the 180 with the optimum motor. You need to compare the initial and also the optimum. Boleh?
Okay, boleh.
VR pun sama. Figure 4.10 kena masuk. Figure 4.11 kena masuk. Am I too fast?
No, okay.
Okay Oh, sini ada Alah, bodoh saya. Sepatutnya saya kena bagi sini. Sama je lah, saya sudah conteng Table 4.5 is the one this one. Okay tak? Okay tak?
Okay deh.
Okay Then table 4.12, yes, kena masuk This one is the optimum design of your motor, kena masuk. And then 4.13 kena masuk, comparison of electromagnetic torque. Yang initial dan optimum ya kena masuk, boleh? Boleh tak?
Boleh dah.
Boleh Then okay, this is 4.13 I think current profile you kena masuk juga. Kat mana dia dah masuk, dia tak masuk okay, tak apa current profile tak akan masuk. Tak akan masuk current profile. Itu sajalah. Then if let's say you want to include more, I think yours one tak sampai yang banyak-banyak model macam ni kan?
Tak ada.
No, ada kan?
Tak ada.
Okay, tak apa, itu saja. So you need to prepare all the things lah. Boleh faham tak?
Boleh, faham tak?
Boleh So tak apa-apa lah. So wait, let me send later I send you all the info lah. So any question from you? I need to explain normalization. Okay, normalization Normalization is something that we put the same thing at the same platform to comparison. If you see this one, you see the plotting right, the normalization is per unit. Can you see?
Yeah.
Which means we go to find the maximum value. Wait, let me see how to do that. Maximum, minimum, not maximum like this. Maximum of this, minimum of this. Okay, so this one should be this value. Normalize normalize how to do that. We use this value. Let me think how to do that first. Normalization. Saya pun sudah lupa. I did this during my PhD, so it's quite long time. Seperti semua. Macam tak betul lah. Normalization is tidak macam maghrib lah kan. Macam maghrib. Betul tak? Masuk maghrib dah kan? Halo?
Ya.
Maghrib dah. So, sembahyang dulu macam kita.
Boleh tak? Nak tak clear.
Boleh proceed tak?
Boleh.
Boleh ini test betul tak? Nampak macam betul no? Sama kan? Sama. Okay. Suatu. Okay, ada sama. So I said I got this one. Okay. Sama kan? Paragraf dengan ni.
Ya.
Kan? Sama kan?
Sama.
Okay, so what is the meaning of normalization? The normalization is like this. Let's say kita ada satu nombor, dua nombor. We have a number lah. In this group, we have a number of 2, 4, 8. And this group we have a number of 5, 8, 10. Let's say only lah. So now we want to compare between them. But it's very difficult because we can look here, the number will be bigger than the right hand side will be bigger than left hand side, right now.
Yeah.
How to make the comparison is actually we need to normalize here, which means that we need to convert everything to become the same platform. Usually same platform will become one unit as the biggest one. Unit 1 is the biggest, 0 is the lowest, which means like this. 0 is the lowest, 1 is the biggest. Boleh faham? Alright. So how to do that? Usually, how I do is we need to find the minimum value for this one. Minimum value is 2, right? Then the maximum value is a 6. So this, 8. Then this one minimum value is 5, maximum is 10. So how we do that is we convert 2 kepada 2, 4, 8 kepada normalized value. So 2, 1 is we use 2 minus minimum value divide by 8 minus 2. I said this one, 8 minus 2 is the difference. Then this one will be 10 minus 5 are their difference. Boleh paham tak? I said I don't want to come here first. We just find the difference. Their gap is 8 minus 2, right? Which is 6. This is the 10 minus 5. Their gap lah, we call the gap lah. The gap. 1 is 6, 1 is 5. Boleh tak?
Boleh dah.
Boleh faham Okay. So now how can we do that is we use this number minus the minimum value. 2 minus 2 divided by gap. Then 4 minus 2 divided by gap. And then 8 minus 2 divided by gap. So we can see that all this value dia tidak melebihi 1. Dia pun mesti more than 0. Let's say 2 minus 2 is 0, right?
0, yeah.
0 divided by 6 is 0. Betul tak?
Yeah.
Okay, 4 minus 2 divided by 6 berapa? Give me the answer. 0. What?
0.33.
0.33. So 8 minus 8 will become 8 minus 2 is 6, right?
Yeah, 6.
6 divided by 6 become 1. Boleh faham tak? Maksudnya dia jadi macam ni tau. Let's say got one line. We have a 2, we have a 4, we have a 8. Now we convertkan dia jadi 0.33 1. Boleh faham tak? Okay, now we convert this one pula. So 5 minus the minimum 5 kan? Divide by gap 5. So number 5 is actually 0. Betul tak? Okay tak?
Yeah.
Okay, for 8 dia 8 minus 5 divide by 5. What is the value?
0.6.
0.6. Okay. Then another one is 10. So 10 minus 5 divided by gap is 5. It becomes
1.
1. Betul kan? Okay. Now we have 3 points. One is 5, one is 8, one is 10. Can? So now we convert into same platform, which is 0, 0.6, and 1. Betul tak?
Yeah.
Baru kita boleh compare. If let's say we put it together, kita tak boleh compare. For example, 2, 4, 8. And then we want to compare dengan 5, 8, 10. So we cannot compare, right?
Yeah.
The only thing we can compare is 0 to 1 and 0 to 1. Boleh faham?
Ya, boleh.
Boleh faham So this is the outcome. We call normalization. The normalization is like it's a tricky word for us to tell the panel or people saying that okay, we do the normalization. Normalization dia hanya jadikan satu platform yang common so that we can compare to each other. Itu saja. Itu yang bahasa baku lah. Maksudnya bahasa layman style speaking.
Yeah.
For those people, for example, this is how I explain to you to understand. Right not? But when we go to professional, then we will say, okay, we did normalization. So there's only two possibilities. One is the panel don't understand. Second is the panel understand. Then the panel know what you are doing. But usually this, if let's say statistical guys, dia akan tahu lah apa itu normalization. If let's say you found that panel don't understand, you try to explain it in an easy way, which means we are converting all the data into the same platform, which is from 0 to 1, so that they can compare with each other. Boleh faham tak?
Ya, faham.
Faham So in the end kita akan dapat ni. So how you get this one? Don't tell Dr. Tiang buat bagi you Tell them, okay, Dr. Tiang bagi program. Then you need to change yourself. You also need to understand how the program goes. Macam tu saja. And then this program will not be included in the thesis. Okay, sebab saya tulis sendiri tau. This one is it's not that easy lah because I do it secara automatic. So that's why you see the data you gave to me, I can create for you. The data of Zakiru, saya boleh create bagi dia. Alright, so this one is not that easy to write out, especially I do it automatically. Everything is automatic, Boleh tak?
Boleh.
Okay, so I think that's all from me lah. Do you? I think I give this one for you lah. Okay, so this one, Hani, you perlu tak atau tak perlu?
Ambil gambar tu lah.
Yang ada gambar. Ataupun saya hantar bagi you terus lah. I give you. So, okay, that's all from me. Do you have a question? No, Okay, so, thank you very much, Hani. This is your hard work lah. Finally, you can finish everything. How's your report writing? Everything okay?
Yeah, I just started my report yesterday. Repair yang apa? Correction yang time lepas punya.
Okay. So when you need to submit the report
by Sunday this week.
Sunday this week
Yeah, we got S10.
Okay. So keep trying lah Anything I need to help you on the report writing side?
Nanti kalau ada apa saya beritahu doktor lah.
Yeah, boleh, no problem. Okay So keep it up. Try to fight for until last minute. So that's the life of undergraduate lah. After that, make sure you can grad Okay or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Hanif. This is your finally you can get your hard work completed, no? By the way, I want to ask, what about your friend here project? Do they meet any problems?
Apa tu?
You punya kawan-kawan member yang buat FYP project lain ada problem tak?
Oh ya, macam Fikri hari tu dia punya apa rotor ke apa dia tak boleh assign tau. And then saya tolong dia lukis balik dia starting pada half pole tu.
I see. Okay. No, I mean except our group lah. Ada yang lain like your friend yang bukan ada supervision, ada problem.
Oh, banyak.
Ada masalah tak complete kan, masalah supervisor tak ajak kan.
Oh, ada juga sampai yang kena tukar tajuk apa semua.
Oh yeah, that's so serious
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So how they need to manage to complete the FYP?
I pun tak tahu tapi macam struggle juga ada orang.
Oh, struggle juga no.
Yeah.
Last pun tinggal seminggu aja kan. Okay lah. So you can refer to Edric report and then smart copy lah pakai keyboard to change the sentences. Keyboard ada pakai keyboard.
How do you know?
Ada?
How do you know about the keyboard?
Oh, master student saya yang ajak saya pun tak tahu aja ni.
Oh ya.
Orang zaman dulu tak pernah pakai pun. Tapi you try pakai yang keyboard to change the sentences to suit you lah, so that the smart copy
Yeah.
I think Edric report is quite comprehensive lah. What you need to do is just copy, then pakai keyboard, and then change your value. That's it. Betul tak?
Yeah.
So and then some of the normalization explanation you can take from the Shopina side
Yeah.
they are both my best students, Shafina and also the Edric. Nah,
Yes.
okay. So jika sempat bagi saya chat, dan saya chat. Jika tak sempat, just hantar sajalah.
Okay dah.
The next point I want to help you is your presentation. So faster settle your report. After that, come out, prepare your slide. Then I want to listen to your presentation. I feel that your English command is not that strong. So I hope that I can help you to do maybe 3 times of presentation before you go to the presentation. Okay or not?
Ya, boleh dah.
Nah, macam Shima juga. So I'll try to help her. Yang mana sempat siap kerja lah, saya akan tolong. Yang tak sempat tu saya tak boleh tolong lah, sebab dia kena buat kerja lain juga kan. Itulah. So Tanya, sebab you sudah siapkan juga projek. Okay, so I will dismiss the class.
Yes dah. Thank you dah.
Thank you Hanif. See you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.